This is the modernized elevator at the University Center at Point Park University in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is originally a Dover Oildraulic with impulse, but due to the DMC obsolescence, it got modernized by Industrial Commercial with Innovation Universal. Still his original door operator, and the original cab was pretty light mod. I don't know if for some reason they had to do a wide lantern there, if they were originally going to put an indicator there and they didn't. I don't know what's up with that. Lower level, here we go down. Here at the lower level. Up to 4. Oh, that's locked. 3. Interior go up. Smart Rise controller. I did record this when it was an original impulse. I'll link that down below. Here are 3. Back to 1. Certificate installed in 1996 and modded in I think 21 or 22. It's a basic laminate gray cab. White LEDs, Industrial Commercial seems to do different LEDs every time they do a mod. Here back at 1. There's another elevator here. That also has a permanent 96. It might be like a manual, or it might be just another one of these. Suppose that's gonna be it.